7 invisible body parts you're neglecting and how they're secretly sabotaging your health. Have you ever wondered why some people sail through their 70s, 80s and beyond, bursting with energy, clear-headed and nearly free of chronic ailments, while others struggle with fatigue, frequent infections and a cascade of health woes? It turns out the secret may lie in small, often overlooked spots on our bodies that most of us never think to clean, inspect or care for properly. Over decades, nearly all of us fall into a comfortable routine, shower, brush teeth, maybe slap on some lotion, and assume our hygiene habits are keeping us protected. But new research and the insights of experienced clinicians reveal 7 key areas that, when neglected, can fuel inflammation, undermine immunity, and even contribute to cardiovascular or cognitive decline. The best part? None of these fixes take more than 5 minutes a day, yet they can pay huge health dividends. Ready to patch up the holes in your self-care routine? Let's dive in. Okay. Your nasal passages, the forgotten air filter, why it matters. Every day you take roughly 20,000 breaths, yet most of them are unfiltered beyond your shirt collar. Your nose isn't just for smelling, it's your built-in air purifier trapping dust, pollen and harmful microbes. Over time, microscopic irritants accumulate, inflaming your sinus tissues, aggravating allergies, and even contributing to poor sleep or chronic fatigue. What to do? Morning saline rinse. Spend 1 to 2 minutes with a gentle neti pot or saline spray. Steam therapy. Inhale hot steam in the shower or over a bowl. Add a drop of eucalyptus oil to soothe and open airways. Gentle blowing. Instead of blasting both nostrils at once, use a tissue to clear each side softly, reducing risk of sinus pressure. The payoff: clearer breathing, fewer allergy flare-ups, deeper nights of sleep and more energy throughout your day. Just ask Helen Carter, respiratory specialist. A clean nose is your first line of defense. Neglect it, and you're letting irritants flood your lungs. The belly button, nature's secret dirt trap. Why it matters. Though it seems harmless, the navel can harbor lint, sweat, dead skin cells and bacteria. Left unchecked, this grime can lead to persistent odor, irritation, and even infections that tax your immune system. What to do? Daily wash. In the shower, gently rub your belly button with a soft cloth or your soapy fingertip. Dry thoroughly. Pat. Dry with a clean towel and resist the urge to leave it damp. Spot treat. If you're prone to odor, use a cotton swab dipped in a mild antiseptic like diluted tea tree oil, then rinse again. The payoff: a fresh-smelling midsection, fewer unexplained rashes or itchy flares, and confidence that you're not harboring hidden germs. For diabetics or anyone with a compromised immune system, this simple step can be a vital line of defense. Your feet, the foundation. You're forgetting why it matters. Your feet support 26 bones, 33 joints, and countless muscles, bearing every ounce of your body weight. Neglect them, and you invite fungal infections, cracked heels, and nerve-dulling conditions that disrupt your balance, putting you at higher risk of dangerous falls. What to do? Thorough wash. Lather soap on tops, soles, and between toes. 60 seconds. Minimum complete dry, especially between toes. Moisture is a fungal playground. Nightly care. Apply a moisturizer, avoid between toes, to prevent cracks. Trim nails straight across. The payoff: fewer foot complaints, better grip in socks and shoes, smoother walking, and peace of mind. As podiatrist Dr. Emma Harris says, strong feet are a cornerstone of independence in later life. Your armpits. The immune system's drain. Why it matters. Beneath each arm lies a network of lymph nodes, your body's built-in drainage and filtration system. When armpits are overloaded with sweat, dead skin, and chemical residues from antiperspirants, you can hamper lymph flow, leading to toxicity, skin irritation, and even reduced immune performance. What to do? Strategic cleansing. In the shower, use a gentle, fragrance-free soap, scrubbing in circular motions. Thorough rinse. Ensure no deodorant or sweat remains. Complete dry. Pat your armpits fully dry before applying anything new. The payoff: fewer lumps or boggy sensations under the arms, reduced skin irritation, and optimized lymphatic drainage, helping you fight off infections more effectively. Your toenails. Little windows into big problems. Why it matters. Nails are more than decoration. They reflect your circulation, nutrition, and even internal health. Discoloration, thickening, or brittle edges can signal fungal invasion, thyroid issues, or circulatory deficiencies. What to do? Weekly inspection. Look for changes in color, thickness, or shape. Gentle trim. Clip straight across, not too short. To avoid ingrown nails. Hygienic shoes. Rotate footwear and let them air out to minimize dampness. The payoff: early detection of potential systemic issues, addressing them before they spiral into full-blown infections or more serious complications. Your tongue, the clean slate. Your overlooking, why it matters. Your tongue is home to a dense colony of bacteria. Without regular cleaning, a thick coating of biofilm builds up, leading to bad breath, dulled taste perception, and a portal for bacteria to enter your bloodstream through microabrasions. What to do? Tongue scraper. Gently drag from back to front. 3 to 5 strokes each morning. Rinse. Swish with water or an alcohol-free mouthwash to clear debris. The payoff: fresher breath, sharper taste buds, so you enjoy healthy foods more, and a reduced bacterial load, in turn lightening your immune systems. Burden 7. Your ears, the gateway to brain health, why it matters. The ears do more than capture sound. They're intimately connected to your brain's health. Studies link hearing loss with accelerated cognitive decline, because reduced auditory input forces the brain to work harder, diverting resources from memory and thinking. What to do? Skip. Cotton swabs. They push earwax deeper, risking impaction. Outer cleansing. Wipe the pinna, outer ear, with a damp cloth only. Professional care. If you suspect wax buildup, ask a clinician for safe removal methods. The payoff: clearer hearing, lower risk of cognitive fatigue, and protection against the use it or lose it toll on your brain. The 5-minute daily routine that changes everything. Each of these 7 areas takes no more than 5 minutes total. Nasal rinse or spray, 1 minute. Belly button wash and dry, 30 seconds. Foot wash, dry, and moisturizer, 2 minutes. Armpit cleanse and dry, 30 seconds. Toenail inspection and trim, optional weekly. Tongue scraping, 30 seconds. Ear outer wipe, 30 seconds. That's it. 5 focused minutes of self-care that protect major systems: respiratory, lymphatic, musculoskeletal, digestive, and neurological. Why this matters? Neglecting these small zones isn't just an aesthetic oversight. It has real, measurable consequences. Chronic low-grade inflammation can accelerate heart disease and cognitive decline. Infections that start in neglected nooks can tax your immune system and sap your energy. Poor circulation in feet and ears can lead to peripheral neuropathy or balance issues. Lymphatic congestion robs you of detoxification pathways. By plugging the gaps in your hygiene routine, you're giving your body a better chance to maintain vitality, resilience, and longevity. Your challenge: pick one of these 7 areas to upgrade today. Maybe you'll add a daily saline nasal rinse, or resolve to scrub and dry your feet properly each morning. Try it for 1 week, then notice the difference. Are you waking up more refreshed? Do your feet feel lighter and callus-free? Is your breath fresher and your tongue pink? Are your armpits less irritated and your lymph nodes more comfortable? Share your experience in the comments below. And if this video opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another small step toward big health gains. Here's to plugging the leaks in your self-care, routine, and rediscovering the energy, clarity, and strength you deserve at any age.